Your sippy cup? Here's your sippy cup. Isn't there good water in there? You gotta use 2 hands. There you go. You like it? You can't squeeze it like that, Bubba. You gotta use the handle. What are you doing? Okay, let's put it in your mouth. You do it. You do it, big boy, like you were before. That's your sippy cup? Your first sippy cup? Because you're a big boy? Yeah? The sailboats on it? Couldn't find one with Mastercraft. Sailboats I have to do. Gotta hold it by the handles. There you go. There you go, big boy! Big boy! Yeah, mister. Oh, it's leaking now. There you go. Yummy, yummy.